how to install an extra M.2 SSD in under 45 seconds. Thanks Natech for providing a sample. Let's get started. First thing first, turn off your computer and turn off your power supply right after that. Then you're going to locate the extra M.2 slot on your motherboard. You can look up your manual to figure out where it is. Grab a handy dandy screwdriver, take off the shield that is covering your M.2, and repeat after me. Do not lose this screw, like I just did. Put this screw somewhere safe. Get your M.2 ready. Take off all the plastic. Gosh, that one looks good. Insert the M.2 SSD in the slot and put the screw in carefully. Turn on your power supply and your PC. Once Windows boots up, search for disk management and then right click on the new drive that you loaded. Allocate it and now you can use it and have some extra juice.